Click on Terminal keypad to have access to the terminal customization menu. Select the Isobus icon on the fourth quarter and click on the green tick to confirm. Click now on the green icon in the fourth quarter. Now, looking at the right side of the screen, there are three icons. Starting from the top, you have Yield Calibration button. This function brings you to the yield calibration procedure. Look at the yield calibration tutorial to learn how to use it. The second button is the system calibration menu of the Isobus. Click on it. Starting from the top left, you find four boxes: yield, vibration, moisture, and temperature calibration. Let's start from the temperature calibration. Click on the temperature box and you will see the calibration menu. The first box on the top will show the calibrated temperature. Find and record the difference between the calibrated temperature value and the actual external temperature when there is no grain in the clean grain elevator. Click on the temperature offset box to enter the difference between the actual air temperature and the calibrated temperature value. Like in this example, if the combine is reading 29 and the actual air temperature is 30 degrees, you have to set the value to 1. Confirm with the green tick and your calibration is done. Moisture calibration. Click now on the moisture calibration box and you will see the calibration menu. On the top of the screen, you will see the actual moisture setting box. Use the number pad to enter the moisture value recorded with any external moisture meter. For example, if the combine is reading an offset of 0% as in this case, and the tester reads 15, you have to set the value to 15%. If, for any reason, you want to set a fixed value to override the combine moisture meter, click on the empty white box close to the manual override box and then set the value with the number pad and confirm it. Click on the green box to end the calibration. Vibration calibration. The vibration calibration is a standard calibration for the whole system. It must be completed before all other calibrations and before using the yield monitor system. Click on the vibration calibration box and you will get to the calibration procedure. From here, you will see a list of conditions that are necessary to perform the operation. Follow the instruction until the red box will turn to green confirmation mark. Then click on the Start Calibration icon, which will appear on the bottom of the screen. The vibration calibration will now show a countdown from 60 seconds. Let the combine running with thrashing and header engaged and full engine RPM during all the procedure. Now your crop is set. Yield calibration. The yield calibration is a calibration for the load cell sensor placed on the top of the clean grain elevator. To perform this calibration, it is necessary to harvest a determined amount of crop and weigh the harvested crop on a weigh bridge. See the yield calibration tutorial to learn how to do it. Click now on the return arrow on the right side of the screen. You will come back to the 4 boxes visualization. Click on the return button on the bottom right corner of the screen to exit the Isobus menu.